Mercedes 814. Height 9'6". Lift up seat. That looks pretty good in there. It's in kilometers and it's only got 30 kilometers on it. 30,000 kilometers according to that. Now this is something else. There's a control panel for you. That is something else. Honda generator. So in other words, there's a generator built in somewhere in here, if it's still in here. Got 2 safes. There's no entrance through, but there's a kitchen in the rear. I'll put my hand through the window. Kitchen in the rear. Bells. Lots of electronics broken. Oh, that's off the safe. What's that? It's a big clock. Loads of keys for it. They're all in there. Storage over the roof. Aircon in the roof. Extractor there. Well, I can't get over that. That's a lot of electronics in there. That is a lot of electronics. What's in that one? That one's just a cupboard. Well, he's all wired up for something. That's blanked off. So I'll get out and have a look if there's electric heat in down there, and it looks like there's a big diesel heater down there. We'll check outside. And that's the other side of that panel. Light up there, and you won't believe when I pan the camera down to what's underneath it. The size of that battery. Another 2 gauge batteries there. What's that? Converter. Well, that's a charger, isn't it? It's another charger by the looks. I don't know. Wow, that's a lot of battery storage there. Big diesel tank under there. Wastewater there. Water input. Ladder on the roof. That'll be the aerial mast. Ooh, 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 bang. And into the back. Kitchen. Fridge. There's a fridge there. What's this end? Clean and tidy. Kettle. Is there a kettle in him? Nope, no kettle in him. Water. Again, there's a ventilator there for something. Can't see under there. Another power unit in there. What's under this one? Jacks, stands. Yeah, there's the aerial there. I'm quite surprised they left that in. There's even got a radio in there. Another skylight, another extractor. Hot water. I think they're 240 volt they are. Yeah. Quite big. And that closes nice and crisp. Yes, there is a Honda generator in there. So, will it shut? Nope. Stabilising legs on it. There's the exhaust for the heater. There is no rust in it other than where they've taken the stickers off. that I can see on the outside. Yeah, that's pretty good. These are for the stabilizer legs. She's clean under there too. Yeah, looks like the brakes are, I don't know whether they're just well maintained, because they've got grease nipples on them all. Yeah, it's a big van for somebody. Even got a TV aerial up on the roof.